This may be one of the best new construction opportunities near NoDa that most buyers don't know about yet. If this is your first time on the channel and want to know everything about living in Charlotte, North Carolina and the surrounding suburbs, then subscribe below so you can be the first to know about the current market in Charlotte, North Carolina. My name is Maier and I moved from New York City to the Charlotte, North Carolina region in 2015. I love helping people make their move to Charlotte, and whether that is 9 days or 90 days, feel free to reach out. All of our contact information is in the description, or you can scan this QR code. We'll be happy to help you make a smooth move to the Charlotte, NC region. Today, I'm walking you through the model home, the Rimley, and make sure you stay till the end and I'll show you the one negative about this community. The community is giving you 3-story townhomes, a minimum of 1,900 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2-car garage, rooftop terrace options, open concept layout, designer finishes, low maintenance living, in close proximity to breweries, restaurants, nightlife, entertainment, and major employment hubs. All of this, and it is starting in the low 400s. If you're buying new construction in Charlotte, remember the builder's sales rep works for the builder, not you. Having your own representation helps protect your interests through the contract, inspections, and negotiations. If you're thinking about moving to Charlotte or surrounding suburbs, or buying new construction, my contact information is in the description. So comment below, let me know what you think of the townhome, and I'll see you on the next video.